Hi guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel if you're new here. I hope you're doing well. So today's video I'm actually going to try out a new palette from Primark. This is the Alice in Wonderland Looking for Wonderland Face and Eye palette, or Eye and Face palette. You might have seen this palette already in my vlog. I obviously hauled it, that was last Saturday. And it's nearly been a week now. I really want to just try these eyeshadows out and see how they blend, if they blend together, and just if they're pigmented. And obviously with the eyeshadows I got the mini lipstick trio set, so I will be testing them out as well. Okay, so on with the Eye and Face palette. This was £10. It has 12 eyeshadows at the top. I have literally put 3 of my nails in 3 of the eyeshadows. Lovely. 4 face products and then 2 lip products in the drawer in the bottom area. So I'm going to create a look using these shadows. I'm not sure what kind of look I'm going to go for yet, but hopefully it'll be good. So if you'd like to see what look I come up with, then please just keep on watching. I'm just going to take this white ivory colour and I'm just going to apply it to my eyelid going up, just to kind of give it a base. Now I'm just going to take this brown taupey colour and apply it onto my crease. Okay, so not bad pigment. Let's see if it's buildable. So it is buildable. It does build a little bit, but I am going to darken that. So I'm just going to take this shimmer shade here. It looks like a purple brown shade, and I'm just going to darken my crease up using this shade. It just kind of like darkened the crease up a little bit. I actually really like it. Blend out well. They blend together well. There's no fallout. Really good quality from Primark. I feel like I want to use this dark gold shade on my lids just to kind of give it a dark look, but also sparkle on the lids as well. I'm going to apply the shadow dry first off, just to see what kind of pigment it gives us. And obviously if it doesn't stick or there's not a lot of pigment, I will wet my brush to see how that performs then. So I'm just taking this brush. It's just a flat-ended brush. I'm just going to pick it up on my brush and apply it to my eyes and see how we go. The pigment is there, like it looks really nice. I think that's enough shadow on my eyelid as it is. That's really, really good. I normally have to wet the brush and apply it that way. I had to do that with the Wet n Wild shadows that I used in that palette. Really impressed with Primark, definitely in this palette anyway. I'm just going to go back into that purpley brown colour and just darken the crease up again. Really, really pretty. Really, really liking it. I'm just going to take this pinky shade here that I have put my nail in already, and I'm just going to apply that to my brow bone and just kind of like make it pop a little. Just gives it a nice shine on the brow bone. And I'm also going to take that shade and put it into my inner corner. That's a very stunning but subtle colour. So I'm just going to take this pinky brown shade and run it across my lower lash line. I really, really like these shades. I think it's absolutely beautiful. I think that's all I'm going to apply for this eye, but I apply for this eye. I'm really, really impressed with these shadow shades. I think they're absolutely amazing. I think the matte and the shimmer shades are both equally amazing. Normally in a palette you'd get really, really good shimmers, but the mattes would be a little bit, you know, a little bit chalky or powdery, and just they wouldn't be as pigmented. But in this palette, they're like equally the same. It's so weird, so weird. And it's £10 and it's from Primark. Like, I can't believe I've never tried anything from Primark before. So I'm just going to go off camera, do my other eye, put mascara, eyeliner, and then I'll come back and we're going to test out the lipsticks. See you in a minute, guys. I'm back, guys. I've done my other eye, applied the eyeliner, mascara, and I lied before, we're not going straight onto the lips. We still have the face part to do. So I haven't got any highlighter on, so I'm going to apply a bit of that, and then I think I'm going to use this shade as blusher. So those are the colours of the face products. I think these two are meant to be highlights and these are meant to be blushes. I think I'm going to take this colour to do as highlighter, and then I'm going to put a little bit, like a tiny little bit of this colour for my blush. I'm going to take the JH09 brush and apply my highlighter on with this one. Okay, so it is there. It is very subtle. Let's apply a little bit more. So I'm actually going to try out the other shade, the gold shade, on my other cheekbone and see how that one looks as well. I'm just going to apply a little bit more. So that is the gold colour and that is the white colour. I really like both them. This one is subtle and this one obviously isn't. So I'm going to use the JH04 brush. I'm not sure if this is the blush brush, but I'm going to use it anyway. And I'm going to take this nice peachy shade and only put a small amount onto my cheek. Okay, that's given me a little bit of colour. It's quite nice. I'm going to take this darker shade, as we have put both highlighters on. I am going to take the darker shade for a blush. So they're really, really pretty. Definitely worth the money. So that's my eyes and face done using this palette. Now we're going to try out the mini lipstick trio set. I don't know which shade we're going to use yet. Maybe I will do every single shade. So first I'm going to use this shade. This shade is called Raspberry. And that is the swatch of the shade. So this is the colour Raspberry. It's a nice pinky red shade. I really like it. It's nice and creamy. It goes on really well. Very pigmented. Definitely recommend. So the next shade is called Peach, but it kind of looks more like a mauvey pink shade. That is what the swatch looks like. So that is Peach. I really like this shade as well. It's nice. It's a nice soft shade. It will go with the eye look perfectly. Really, really nice formula. Absolutely love it. So on to the last shade. This is called Rose, but this one looks more like a peachy colour to me. That's the colour Rose just there. Again, peachy shade. So that is the colour Rose. It's really, really pretty. Like, they're all pretty. There's nothing bad to say about them. They're really creamy, they're easy to apply. I'm really, really impressed with Primark makeup. Definitely this collection. Like, there's nothing bad I can say about them. Well done, Primark. I'll definitely be using all of it again. Amazing. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then please like, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell. Come and follow me on Instagram. Instagram will be on the screen somewhere. Until next time, guys. Bye.